In today's video, I'll be answering the question as to how long your TN visa will be valid. Welcome back to another U.S. immigration law video. My name is Jeremy Richards with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik. In this video today, I'll be answering the question, how long will your TN visa be valid? If you haven't already, hit the like button, the subscribe button, the share button, so that other people out there looking for similar content can find it, and that you'll be notified when upcoming videos come out. Also, in the links below, in the comments below, we put links down there that we think that you might find helpful and have additional content and information about U.S. immigration law, as well as the content of this video. Now to the question at hand. How long will your TN visa be valid? There are several factors that an officer looks at when determining the length of a TN visa when they approve it. A TN visa cannot be approved for less than 1 day or longer than 3 years. It can, however, be renewed indefinitely, but each visa stamp, each time you enter, each I-94 that you're issued, has to be from 1 day to 3 years max. And how does an officer determine how long they're going to stamp you for? Well, there are several documents that they can look at in determining the length of your visa. One of the most common documents that is used in a TN visa application to determine the length of your TN visa is the support letter or offer letter from your employer. That offer letter should have a definitive time period on it for which they need you in the United States to perform services under your TN profession. In other words, it should say, we need John Doe to enter the United States from July 1st, 2020 until July 1st, 2023. 3-year time period. The officer can easily determine that this individual needs a TN visa for 3 years, and they can stamp it and admit you for 3 years as long as the paperwork is in order. Contracts are also something they can use to determine the longevity of your TN visa. They cannot issue your TN visa for longer than the duration of a contract. So if the basis of your TN application is a contract with a U.S. client or a U.S. employer, then make sure that that contract has an end date. It cannot be open-ended. It must have an end date, and the end date must be sometime in the future. And again, it cannot be longer than 3 years out. Now, if your contract is longer than a 3-year time period, that's fine, but they can only issue your TN visa for a maximum of 3 years. Now, if the contract is only 3 months, they will only give you a 3-month visa, and so on. So the longevity of that contract could determine how long your TN visa will be issued. Also, keep in mind that when you apply, they're only able to stamp you for as long as your passport is valid. So if your passport is only valid for a year, yet you're applying for a 3-year TN visa, the officer can only stamp your passport and issue an I-94 for the longevity of your passport. Now, they can approve you for the entire 3-year time period, and they often do. What happens in that scenario? Well, you simply return to the port of entry and with your renewed passport, and they will give you the remaining time period through a simple stamping at the port. There's no need to reapply in that scenario. They'll simply issue the remaining 2 years that they approved you for initially and stamp it under your new passport. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about how long your TN visa will be valid. If you have any other questions about TN visas or U.S. immigration law, we'd be glad to help you out. Give us a call, shoot us an email, comment in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, the share button, the notifications so that when new videos come out, you'll be aware of them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.